So we are excited to check our mailbox to see if our prize came from Bounty by Observation. So there she is at the mailbox. So let's go check it out. All right, what do you think? What's in there? This? Is that it? Is that it? You're giving me all the other stuff, all the bills first.
My socks.
We don't know what if that's it. Let me see it.
They're my socks.
Who's?
Bye-bye. My socks.
All right, so here we are. We have Bounty's prize for us, huh? All right, Emma's gonna open it up and see what we got. There we go. What is it? What is it? Let me see them. I have to show them on the video. We won these cool hot pepper hot sauce socks from Bounty by Observation. Thank you so much. So we're gonna come back and try them on for you.
It's hard. Mom, please not be doing that.
Yeehaw! Look at that.
I'm sleeping with these on.
You are? What do you say to Bounty?
Thank you.
Your feet hot?
Yep.
We love them, Bounty. Thank you so much. We're a winner.
Come on, kid.